What?
Let him run.
Dog.
Now she's happy.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Hey, where'd you go? Hey, where? Ah, I can't find you. Ah, don't hit my butt. Ah! Let me out. Let me out. Undo this thing. Undo this torture. This is torture. Why would you do this to me, Ryan? Why? Why would you do this? Let me out.
No.
Let me out. But look at my sweet little face. Let me out. Let me out.
It's like, what are you doing there?
Too cute.
Sam. What do you want? What do you want? Just let me out. Let me out of this thing. Oh.
Getting out of this thing is hard work.
Okay, that's good.